In the end, I will say thanks a lot for taking this course and I wish you all the luck and all the success in the world. But my advice is don't give up. It takes time to start to earn money through affiliate marketing. Think about it. The first day your website or blog was live, you didn't have thousands of visitors show up. So it took time. You need to market yourself, build your audience, generate traffic, and then wait for results. I tell you that some affiliate marketers are making an income that's in the five-figure range. That can also be you. So use these all tips that I have mentioned in this course, and I bet and I guarantee that you will surely see success. If you have any kind of questions, do let me know. Thanks and best of luck. Take care.